With a new innovative design, Milwaukee delivers the Cheater Aluminum Adaptable Pipe Wrench. This pipe wrench is the most adaptable, delivering unmatched productivity to access tight spaces and perform high-leverage applications with a multi-link design up to 24 inches. The Cheater's lightweight body and all-in-one handle deliver added convenience and eliminates the need to carry multiple wrenches or handle extensions. To keep you productive on the job, the easy-to-use quick slide handle adjusts and locks at your desired length. The overbite jaw has the largest gripping surface of 2.5 inches to prevent slipping and delivers the confidence you need to complete the most demanding applications. The Cheater stands up to challenging job sites with maximum durability and provides added security when working at height with a tether-ready lanyard hole. The Milwaukee Cheater Aluminum Adaptable Pipe Wrench. Most adaptable, all in one.
Hi, John from RIDGID Tools, here with the guys from Toolstop. The aluminium wrench. This is a 14-inch straight wrench. As you can see, the heavy-duty version, which is the normal item that we're selling. The aluminium wrenches is fairly recent additions for us. Exactly the same performance as the heavy-duty one, except the actual wrench itself is 46% lighter. So if you're doing a lot of installation work overhead, much less fatigue on it. Much more comfortable to use. Still comes with a lifetime guarantee on the body as well. With our wrenches, the chuck and the head are both replaceable. They come listed as spare parts within the catalogue, available from toolstop.co.uk as well, so that if you do wear the product out or if you break some of the teeth in use by accident, you don't have to replace the whole wrench, you can just replace the parts that are necessary. All available from toolstop.co.uk.